Okay, so I think it's actually really funny that I'm making this video right now because in this very moment, at the time that this video will be released, I have not yet officially reached monetization. However, especially given the fact that I haven't yet been monetized, I'd say that I actually have the most insight into the length of time it takes. I can give you the exact amount of details, what I've done so far, how much time I've put in, and how my channel has progressed from literally zero to what it is now. So I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of work. And I can tell you exactly how much work I put in to still not yet be monetized. So I might be the most helpful person than anyone else right now. Okay, let's talk about it. But first, if it's your first time at my channel, my name is B de NYC, which means B from NYC in French, because I make a lot of French speaking content or content for French speakers. Now, I'm going to start to do more lifestyle stuff and incorporate more of the NYC part of my name into my channel. And trust me, it is going to be very interesting. Honestly, interesting is a massive understatement because NYC is a lot. So if you're interested in anything I just said, subscribe. Okay, now to how long it takes to reach success on YouTube. Is success possible in 3 months or 6 months or less? I don't know. Or maybe I do know. I know a little bit. Okay, if you're watching this video, you're probably at least a little interested in starting your own channel. Basically, you need two main requirements. First, your subscriber count, and second, your watch hours. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours, which is basically the total amount of time that your video has been watched. Essentially, views, right? But it has to be 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months. And if at any point in this video you have any questions at all regarding this process or just YouTube or anything in general, put the questions in the comments below and I will thoroughly answer them. Okay, so at the moment of making this video, I currently have 1,339 subscribers. Yay! So I made the subscriber count for that requirement for monetization because of all of you. I love all of you. Thank you. But the other requirement, I currently have only 471 watch hours. Wow, wow, wow. Not enough. Which is good, but definitely far from the 4,000 requirement. Yikes. That means, therefore, I am currently not able to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, which would allow me to attain monetization. Also, side note, I know that some of those watch hours are from YouTube Shorts, and I don't know how to maneuver the back end to exclude how many watch hours are from YouTube Shorts because I know that that is not actually counted towards your watch hours for meeting that requirement, unfortunately. So I'm not yet monetized, but clearly I have been putting in a lot of work. So let's break down exactly what that work was and how it got me here. Well, first, I have made to date a total of 125 videos. Wow, that's a lot. But that includes both long form and shorts. So that's 61 long form videos, including this one, and 64 YouTube shorts. Yeah. It's a lot. And I have been doing this now for quite some time. I made my debut on YouTube with this channel on August 5th, 2023. So that's when I uploaded my very first video to this channel. That means it's been almost 2 years that I've been on YouTube working to get this channel monetized. And so it'll be 2 years in August and I'm still not monetized. It's okay. It's okay, because it's really fun and I'm having fun. But let's break down the specifics of that, like what that looked like, right? because as you can probably see, I am actually very consistent with uploading. There was maybe once or twice where I had a break in uploading more consistently. The break never lasted though longer than a month and a half or 2 months. Other than that, I've been pretty much very consistently uploading weekly, sometimes multiple times a week, or at least definitely monthly, a couple of times a month at least. And actually, my very first month, I even was challenging myself to release a video every single day. Because when I was doing my research, I was seeing that you can do like this 30-day challenge, and I was so determined to get my channel monetized as soon as possible. I wasn't planning on getting it monetized in 30 days, but just to come out the gate strong and build momentum and try to get as many subscribers and views and all of that as soon as possible. So actually my first month I was very consistent. I was uploading more than 4, maybe 5 times a week, and I was really trying to get monetized at least within a year. That was my goal. Mind you, it is very difficult to put a video together. It takes darn near an entire day, honestly. It's like a full-time job, literally, because you have to come up with the idea, you have to write the script, you have to then film it and then edit it, and then you have to do some SEO research and keyword research, write the description, upload it. It's so much. It's so much, but it's fun. It's just so much work. All of this stuff, it takes so long, so long. But slowly that work pays off, because as you can see, little by little, your channel starts to grow, and before you know it, you have over 1,000 subscribers and you've hit the first requirement, which is amazing and an amazing feeling. And it's thanks to all of you that I hit that first requirement. So again, thank you. And it really takes time and practice to be able to master how to capture viewers' attentions and getting those views to jump. And so I'm still working on that. Today, my most viewed video is at 6,000 views, which I'm proud of, but it's clearly not 100K or 50K or even 20K. Like, come on. When will it happen? So I say all this to say I got some work to do. But to answer the question of the day, how long does it take to reach success on YouTube? Well, for me, it's been almost 2 years and I'm still working on it. So I think it's safe to say that it takes a while. It takes a while. But also, one's journey is different. Some people, it might just take them 3 months. It might just take them 6 months. It definitely has to do with how quickly you adapt to the platform and how fast you learn about your audience, how to make captivating videos that people watch. And of course, there are other ways to start making money on YouTube even before you join the YouTube Partner Program. I don't know how any of that mess works, so I'll let you know once I find out. Yes, everyone's journey is different. Some people it takes a few months. For me, it's taking almost 2 years. So if you're thinking about starting a channel, I absolutely recommend that you should do it. It's so fun, and you just have to know that it takes a lot of work, like a lot of work. It's not easy. It's not just something you can make a channel one day and yay, I'm monetized in a month or 2 months or 3 months. I mean, the people that do that, bravo to them. I don't know how they do that. But I think it's good to think of it as like it'll be a long journey. It's not really just something that can happen in a month or 2. If you have specific questions about my particular journey or process, please do not hesitate to ask in the comments below, or even any recommendations of what you want to see and hear from me. I will happily make another video that goes into other details about my YouTube journey or just anything. So let me know what you want to see in the comments below, because at the end of the day, I am here for you. I'm an open book and you can ask me anything. And one last thing before I close out this video, as you know, my page is not yet monetized. So if you would like to contribute to my channel and help to support so that I can continue making all of these videos for you all, or if you just like me and would like to support, I have included a link in the description box below where you can donate to my channel. As always, thank you again, friends and family. Can you believe it's almost been 2 years if you've been rocking with me for that long? Thank you. I appreciate you so much. You have no idea. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care, y'all.